Welcome back to my channel. My name is Joe from Steel to Wood. The channel's name is coming from the fact that from steel, fabrication steel, I can collect my firewood. So that's the idea for the channel's name. So I make a lot of stuff out of steel, like this splitter. This splitter is a homemade box wedge. It has the 15 HP engine, a newly 28 gallons pump, 2 stages, and a 5-inch cylinder. So the main advantage of a box wedge splitter is that you don't need to handle much the logs. As soon as you put the logs into that drawer, let's say so, it cycles back and forth and will split the wood without much handling. But the downside of that is that it produces a lot of those stuff. Small pieces of wood, kindling, and for most of people they don't like this. I don't mind much because I do put them in the wood chunker and I burn them anyways. So one big plus on this splitter is the articulated crane. Along with the log tongs. The articulated jib crane can reach from each side within 10 feet and can hold the log from one side or to the other. There will be 8 YouTubers like me publishing their video at the same time. I invite you to see their YouTube channel. They're great. You will find a lot of interesting stuff and different kind of splitter that you can compare with. The rule states that we need to split a face cord of wood, hardwood, 12 to 15 inches in diameter, 16 inches long, and we're going to time them ourselves while doing that. So this is the face cord, 8 feet, 4 feet. There's some voids, but there's some excess also on each side. I marked 4 by 8 feet. There we go. One face cord split in very small pieces, like so. It's not even 4, 2 1/4, 3 1/2, 3 3/4. That's pretty much the size I like to have for my fireplace. One great advantage for that box wedge splitter is that you get square logs. They get very easy to stack and be stable too. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I invite you to go see the other YouTube channels. There will be a playlist available on my channel. I'll make sure to put the links in the description below. So see you the next time.